This is a video to learn how to type multiply symbol with your keyboard. So if you have the numeric keypad, press Alt plus 0 to 15. If you don't have it, so turn on numeric keypad and press function key plus F12 or F11. Then type using this key once you turn on numeric keypad. So press and hold Alt, then 0 215. So I will turn on firstly function key. Now press hold 0 and 2 with K, 1 with J and 5 with I. So firstly you need to type click anyway and now try it. And leave it. So this way you can type it. Thanks for watching.